Article 230 of the Indian Constitution deals with the extension and exclusion of the jurisdiction of high courts concerning union territories. Here's a detailed explanation of its provisions. Clause 1. Extension or exclusion of jurisdiction by Parliament. 230. 1. Parliament has the authority to make laws that either extend the jurisdiction of a high court to include a union territory, or exclude the jurisdiction of a high court from any union territory. This means that the Parliament can determine which high court has jurisdiction over legal matters in a union territory, either by bringing it under the jurisdiction of an existing high court or by removing it from the jurisdiction of a high court. Clause 2. Jurisdiction of state high courts over union territories. 232. When a state high court exercises jurisdiction over a union territory, the following apply. Subclause A. Limitation on state legislatures' powers. 232. A. The Constitution ensures that the legislature of the state, to which the High Court belongs, does not have the power to increase, restrict, or abolish the jurisdiction of the High Court concerning that union territory. This means that only Parliament has the authority to modify the jurisdiction of the High Court in relation to union territories, and the state legislature cannot interfere with this jurisdiction. Subclause B. Interpretation of references to the Ghana. 232. B. In the context of union territories, when dealing with rules, forms, or tables for subordinate courts, any reference to the Ghana in Article 227 of the Constitution should be interpreted as a reference to the President. Article 227 pertains to the power of superintendence of high courts over subordinate courts. Therefore, for union territories, the President assumes the role similar to that of the Ghana concerning the administration of subordinate courts. Summary. Parliament's authority. Parliament can extend or exclude the jurisdiction of a high court to or from union territories. State legislature limitation. State legislatures cannot alter the jurisdiction of high courts concerning union territories. Role of the President. In matters related to subordinate courts in union territories, references to the Ghana are construed as references to the President. Article 230 thus centralized the control over judicial jurisdiction concerning union territories with the Parliament and the President, ensuring a uniform and centralized approach to legal administration in these territories. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 5. The High Courts in the States. Article 230. Extension of jurisdiction of high courts to union territories. 1. Parliament may by law extend the jurisdiction of a high court to, or exclude the jurisdiction of a high court from, any union territory. 2. Where the High Court of a state exercises jurisdiction in relation to a union territory. A. Nothing in this Constitution shall be construed as empowering the legislature of the state to increase, restrict, or abolish that jurisdiction, and B. The reference in Article 227 to the Ghana shall, in relation to any rules, forms or tables for subordinate courts in that territory, be construed as a reference to the President.